its highly engineered technology, ScoopFree is a virtually touch-free, leave-it-and-don't-worry-about-it litter system. After your cat uses ScoopFree, the super-absorbent, odor-trapping ScoopFree crystals begin to absorb wetness and dry out solid waste. Then, 20 minutes after your cat leaves, sensors activate the stainless steel cleaning rake. It's whisper quiet and rakes waste into a covered trap, sealing away waste and odor. Then you just throw it away. Your hands never touch messy waste or litter.
ScoopFree helps keep your home clean and fresh.
It's easy to set up. Simply lift the box and slide in a disposable litter tray pre-filled with ScoopFree crystals. Then every few weeks simply cover the tray, throw it away, and replace with a fresh one. Unlike traditional litter boxes that spread a foul odor throughout your house, ScoopFree uses crystals which absorb wetness and lock away odors on contact, and then seal odors and waste in the covered trap.